Higher nature spiritual seekers meditation. Mother KREATOR. We are all one. We are all connected with Mother Nature. We are all connected with the Creator, and we all see the symbol of the Creator with every living being. Or body any symbol, no, or body any sign nature, no, our body be a and you should could be. So I say a coconut. Now, could we say no? Last year, I'm talking with the toy immune miracle. Na me kofa ase neja wife se me mama no nti me bo no chase nsu na firi mu nti se ne yiye nti wo hwa hwe veins no wo de hwe you just watch the coconut veins. Yeah, hwe so be hu ni ya hwe just watch the coconut veins. So yes, you see the veins of the coconut. You see hwe aha se no be hu ni see the veins of the coconut. Yeah, you see the veins of the coconut hwe. Send it here from Hasi. Baby, I mean, so way. So I did ban saying as well. Send it here. So you see, nature is so beautiful. Send it here. That's the veins of the coconut. You see, so this same vein of the coconut, no, you will see the same vein in humans. Yeah, one woman, you see the veins is the same our household. High nature spiritual seekers meditation. We are here to develop ourselves, to master ourselves. Until nobody in shame, I'm permanent because I am so on veins, you know. Nobody in shame now. My mamma, nature spiritual seekers meditation.